Chinese language? Sounds like a Chinese language. Is it in the language? Okay, that's my way of actually saying that I'm happy that you guys are back here with me, that you decided to learn with me again, and I'm honored. Yeah, that's my way of saying that I'm honored. So, Miss Jennifer. Yeah, that's my name, Jennifer. And continuing from what was stopped in the last video, don't worry, it's a comprehension passage this time. It's just like this instructor, and you'll find it fun. Just read it. Put it out. I'm supposed to. Yeah, it's like breathe in. Good. Learning mode activated. Okay, so the instruction says choose from the list of words or group of words lettered A to D, the one in which is nearest to the meaning, to words underlined in the sentence. And the sixth question is, I observed that Duke could not look straight at the teacher while stating the case. I observed, and the underlined word is observed. So option A says knew, option B says saw, option C says noticed, option D notified, and option E remembered. Which is it? Okay, let's try and find out which. Alright, so to find out which, we have to first understand what it means to observe. So what does it mean to observe? To observe means to notice or view carefully. There it is. Something just viewing from out. I killed it. Who else feels this happy after putting it out? Oh yeah, I'm happy I killed it out. I don't do it all the time, so yeah, I'm happy. Alright, so where were we? Yeah, observed. So to observe means to notice or view carefully with attention to details. That's the meaning of observe. So when someone says, Ricky, you observe a lot, the person is simply trying to tell you that you pay attention to small details. That's it. You view carefully, you pay attention to small details. So that's the meaning of the word observe. So if that's the meaning of the word observe, then another name for it would be noticed, right? To observe carefully means to notice carefully, to view carefully. Is it as easy as I'm saying it? It's easy, right? Yeah, it's easy. Don't worry, even if it's not it. You get used to it, trust me, you will. Alright, so that's it, noticed. So another word for observed is noticed. Okay, a seventh question is, they had traveled a long way but made them weary. So the underlined word is weary, and for options we have A, lost, B, hungry, C, sad, D, tired, and E, worthless, which is correct. Now, you know how we do it. Before we go on to finding out the answer, we will first try to find out the meaning of the underlined word. And the underlined word, like I said earlier, is weary. So what does it mean to be weary? Weary means having the strength exhausted, tired, or fatigued. So imagine after a long trek from school, during a hot afternoon, imagine we're around the school field, perhaps doing an inter-house sport or something, you know? Inter-house sports can be very tiring. They're kind of tired, so you can be said to be worried. Alright, so that is the meaning of worry. Having the strength exhausted, being tired, and being fatigued. So if that's the meaning of the word worry, then another name for worry automatically means tired. Okay, that's our answer, tired. And our 8th question says, after a long search, I discovered my pen under my pillow. And the underlined word is discovered. And our options are A, through, B, found, C, made, D, rendered, and E, invented. So which is it? Let's find out what discover means. So to discover means to learn about something for the first time. Can you remember when you first discovered chocolate? Or vanilla ice cream? Yeah, that's it. Discover. The first time you tasted it. Discover. So to discover means to learn about something for the first time, to reveal, to find out, to expose, to find. That's the meaning of the word discover. So if that's the meaning, then it follows thus. That another word for discover is found. To discover, to find. So the past tense found, discovered. Past tense found, past tense. So to discover means to find. So a correct answer is found. So you could also say, after a long search, I found my pen under my pillow. Genius. Alright, so our 9th question says, have you completed the work I gave you? Have you completed it? Just the way Mom asked you. Have you completed the chores I gave you? Have you completed it? So our options are A, start, B, finished, C, got, D, sin, and E, made. Which is it? So let's look at, of course, the definition. So what does complete means? To complete means to finish, to reach the end, or to accomplish. So when you finish a task, it means you've completed the task. It means you've accomplished the task. Okay, so that's the meaning of the word complete. And it means that finished is the answer. That's finished is the synonym or another word for completed. Great, isn't it? Great. So don't you think words and synonyms are fun? They are. They are fun. So our 10th question says, my father gave me the money in the end, but he was reluctant at first. So our options are A, unwilling, B, quiet, C, displeased, D, stubborn, and E, stiff. Which is correct. So before we do that, let's see what reluctant means. Reluctant means not wanting to take an action. Here, just like, during those mornings when the alarm, the 6 a.m. and Mom's telling you to wake up, get ready for school, and you're just reluctant to leave the bed. You're unwilling to leave the bed. You don't want to leave the bed. That's what reluctant means. So when you're unwilling to do something, when you do not want to take an action, that is reluctant. So if that is what reluctant means, then another word for reluctant is unwilling. At least that's the most suitable word in the options. So A, unwilling, is a correct answer. That's another word for reluctant. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. But before I go, I was thinking, how about we get a dictionary? I mean, I know that collecting complex words or, these grammatical words, it can be it can be stressful. It can be so, So how about this? I mean, I'm sure most of us have phones, right? or computers. So how about we download a dictionary app? It helps a lot. I would have actually suggested a pocket dictionary, but I'm sure no one wants to carry that about, right? So sometimes you could run into words in newspapers, magazines, the TV. It's usually better and more convenient searching for those words with your phone, right? So that's why I would suggest that you, with your electrical gadgets, your phones and your computers, you download the dictionary apps, and it's like everywhere. It's all over the internet. So you could download it and you could use it to find, discover actually. Remember, discover. What's another name for discover? Good, find. So you could discover or find new words in the dictionary. New words to find every day. So how about you try to find 5 new words every day? And that way, in a space of 6 months or 8 months to 1 year, you become an ace. In fact, you become a grammarian. I'm sure of that. So that is one of the ways of building a vocabulary repertoire. Did you understand that? Okay, yeah, I meant vocabulary store, yeah, like a store, like a brain store, yeah, like a vocabulary brain store. So to know more words, complex words, what's that? It's not a tongue twister, complex, yeah. So complex words, to discover complex words, and so you don't get so confused when you come across them, you need your dictionary, okay? So see you in our successive videos. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like our videos. Don't forget to like our videos, share, comment, and of course subscribe, okay? So I look forward to learning more with you. Keep staying happy. It's important that you do. Keep staying happy, keep staying strong, and keep staying safe. Alright, so until the next time, no, until the next video, until the next video, bye. I'm gonna miss you, by the way. Bye.